Most people still think of food in terms of calories, carbs, and fat. But that lens misses something critical, something powerful. Plants don't just feed us, they inform us. Inside fruits, vegetables, herbs, teas, and spices are thousands of compounds called phytochemicals, natural bioactives like polyphenol, flavonoids, and stilbenes that interact with our biology in ways that go far beyond simple nutrition. Resveratrol, for example, a compound found in red grapes and berries, has been shown to activate sirtuins, genes involved in cellular repair and longevity. Quercetin, found in onions and apples, has potent anti-inflammatory effects and can reduce markers of oxidative stress. Catechins in green tea support vascular health and enhance fat oxidation. Curcumin, the golden pigment in turmeric, modulates immune pathways and even impacts gene expression related to cancer suppression. These aren't fringe supplements. They're molecules we evolved alongside, signals from the natural world that help our cells adapt, defend, and thrive. And here's the key. Their benefits are not dependent on weight loss. In fact, many of these phytochemicals exert protective effects in people who see no change in body weight whatsoever. Polyphenol, in particular, have been studied extensively for their ability to reduce inflammation, improve endothelial function, support mitochondrial efficiency, and regulate blood sugar. In controlled trials, polyphenol-rich diets improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood pressure, and lower LDL cholesterol, regardless of whether participants lose weight. This matters because most chronic diseases, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, dementia, autoimmune conditions, are not caused by excess weight alone. They are driven by oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction, and impaired cellular signaling. And that's exactly where phytochemicals go to work. The Western diet, with its ultra-processed foods and nutrient-poor calories, starves the body of these compounds. We consume plenty of energy, but very little cellular information. That gap creates a kind of invisible malnutrition. People are overfed, yet underprotected at the molecular level. It's not just a recipe for disease. It's a fast track to accelerated aging. But the fix doesn't require supplements or exotic powders. It's found in simple additions: a handful of berries in the morning, a side of sautéed greens at lunch, a cup of matcha in the afternoon, fresh herbs on your dinner plate. It's in spices, teas, seeds, and skins. And the more variety, the more synergy. The compounds amplify each other when eaten in combination. Here's the warning, though. The food industry has already caught on, and it's trying to turn phytochemicals into marketing gimmicks. Antioxidant-enriched junk food. Polyphenol-pumped candy bars. This misses the point. These compounds are most powerful when delivered through whole foods, in their natural matrix, alongside fiber and cofactors that aid absorption and regulate response. We need to move beyond calories, beyond macros, because the true healing power of food lies not in what it removes, but in what it delivers. Information that speaks directly to your DNA, reprogramming it toward resilience. So even if the scale doesn't move, your cells are changing. Your inflammation is calming. Your arteries are softening. Your immune system is stabilizing. That's what health transformation really looks like. Quiet, microscopic, and far more meaningful than a number on the bathroom floor.